What are the main sources of American labor law? In today's fast-paced world, understanding labor law is more important than ever. With recent discussions around workers' rights and workplace regulations, many are asking, what are the main sources of American labor law? This topic is trending as employees and employers navigate an evolving landscape. Let's break down the key components that shape labor law in the United States. First, we have the United States Constitution. This foundational document provides essential protections for labor rights. The interpretations of the 14th Amendment's Privileges and Immunities Clause have been crucial. The Supreme Court has recognized the right of workers to organize and act collectively. Historical leaders like Abraham Lincoln and Franklin Roosevelt highlighted that labor rights are part of individual freedom. Next, we look at federal statutes. Congress has passed several laws governing labor standards and workers' rights. The National Labor Relations Act is a cornerstone of labor law. It protects employees' rights to organize and engage in collective bargaining. Another important law is the Fair Labor Standards Act, which sets wage and overtime pay standards for most employment situations. Federal regulations also play a significant role. Agencies such as the Department of Labor issue rules to implement labor laws. These regulations cover workplace safety, wage standards, and other protections. While some laws may remain unchanged, regulations adapt to current conditions. However, recent efforts to reduce regulations have raised concerns about workplace protections. Judicial decisions are another vital source of labor law. Courts, especially the Supreme Court, interpret constitutional provisions and statutes. Their rulings shape labor law and expand the understanding of labor rights. These interpretations often link labor rights to liberty and economic security. Finally, state laws and regulations contribute to the labor law framework. States can enact their own labor laws, offering additional protections beyond federal law. Some states have taken steps to enforce federal labor laws through state agencies. They may also regulate specific employment practices, such as non-compete clauses. Together, these sources create the legal framework governing labor and employment relations in the United States. They balance the rights and responsibilities of workers, employers, and labor organizations. As discussions around labor rights continue, staying informed about these sources is essential for everyone involved.